Welcome to SV Union High School and Junior College Pune. Subject Information Technology, Standard 11th Science. Video created and presented by Mr. Nitin Vadgure. Dear students, today we are going to start part 9 of chapter 1, Basic of Information Technology, Standard 11th Science. In our last part, we have discussed about network configuration, two types of architectures, peer-to-peer architecture and client-server architecture. In this part, let's start with our new topic, Internet. Internet means connecting computer to any other computer anywhere in the world. Internet is the highway of information. Internet is an example of wide area network. The Internet has one very simple job: to move computerized information known as data from one place to another. The Internet is generally defined as a global network connecting millions of computers. All these millions of computers belongs to local area networks, metropolitan area networks and wide area network. So through the Internet you can pass your data or send your data from one place to the another place all over the world. The Internet is a massive network of networks, a networking infrastructure. In simple words, Internet is a group of networks. When more than one networks interconnected to each other, it forms internetworks. And internetworks means internet. With the help of the internet, one can easily be in touch with anyone in the whole world by sending electronic mail, by chatting. Travel bookings can be made very easily. One can order books or buy anything online. In simple terms, it can be said that internet provides a very strong connection or network between computers globally, bringing people and their working close to each other. Nowadays, internet is a part of our daily lives. One can easily pass the information from one place to another through the internet. Internet is a group of different networks. Nowadays, distance is no longer an issue when it comes to accessing information. For example, work from home, distance learning, e-banking and e-governance are now possible from any place with an internet connection and a computing devices. Let's see the history of internet. The first workable prototype of the internet came in the late 1960s with the creation of ARPANET, or the Advanced Research Project Agency Network. So ARPANET is the first network comes in the 1960s. ARPANET stands for Advanced Research Project Agency Network. Originally funded by the US Department of Defense, ARPANET used packet switching to allow multiple computers to communicate on a single network. The technology continued to grow in the 1970s after scientists Robert Kahn and Winton Cerf developed Transmission Control Protocol and Internet Protocol, or TCP/IP, a communication model that set standards for how data could be transmitted between multiple networks. Means Due to the development of transmission control protocol and internet protocol, it is possible to transmit data between multiple networks. And TCP/IP becomes a communication model that set standards for how data could be transmitted between multiple networks. ARPANET adopted TCP/IP on January 1st, 1983, and from there researchers began to assemble the network of networks that became the modern internet. Or you can say the modern internet was established in the year 1983 when ARPANET used TCP/IP. The online world then took on a more recognizable form in 1990s when computer scientist Tim Berners-Lee invented the World Wide Web, that is WWW. WWW, that is World Wide Web, is invented by the scientist Tim Berners-Lee in the 1990s. So this is the overall history of internet. In our next part, we will discuss about the protocols, different types of protocols. Thank you.